This is Wayne. If you're new here, my name is Ruben. I basically travel to hang out with my subscribers, talk to people, and film it to show you that you can talk to anyone.
Excuse me. So say hi to your friend.
Thanks for sitting down, Wayne.
Of course. I just left my friend back there to catch up with you.
Okay, Wayne. So how was today?
Better than last time for sure.
So today I'm with Wayne. We're in New York for part 2.
I think my nerves were getting to me a whole lot in the first one. This time around, I'm just going to try to be as present as possible, improve on my last attempt, and yeah, hopefully things get better.
Any last words before we start?
Nope, let's get started. Hi, excuse me. Hi, sorry to interrupt. Just thought you were cute. Just wanted to come say hi. What's your name? Wayne. Nice to meet you. What are you drawing?
I'm just drawing my idea.
Idea? Was it for school or?
Kind of school and just project.
Okay. What are you in school for?
Art and technology.
Oh, sick.
How about you?
I graduated already, but I went to school for illustration for a little bit.
Illustration.
Yeah, so now I'm doing a little bit of graphic design and photography. Yeah. What is this going towards?
Well, I'm just...
It's concepting.
Yeah.
You mind if I sit?
Do you want to see?
Sure.
Drawing some concept ideas to propose for brands.
Okay.
Yeah.
Very cool. Sorry, remind me of your name again? That's
What
right.
was your name?
Wayne.
Wayne.
Yeah. Do you live in New York?
No, I'm just visiting
Okay, from where?
from Korea.
Oh, nice. How long are you in town for?
For here, I've been staying like 2 months.
Oh,
So I
wow.
gotta go back next week.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Super sick. Super soon. Super, it's like right away, right around the corner.
Yeah.
How do you like it so far?
It's nice.
Yeah.
Busy.
Yeah.
A lot of places to go, like a lot of galleries. I loved it.
Yeah, there's right now it's like NFT week,
Yeah.
something like that. I went to a couple events,
Oh, really?
yeah, this past weekend, and I didn't know it was happening until like my friend came down. She was putting on some galleries and stuff, but yeah, it's been pretty hectic and pretty busy in that regard. But
I was at the NFT party last night. It
okay,
was so sick.
which one?
With the Samsung and spatial thing.
Okay, was that like Chelsea?
Yeah, in Chelsea. Yeah.
Okay, what's your plan for the rest of the day?
I think I'm just gonna keep doing my work.
Okay, cool.
And I don't know. I'll just work today.
All right. Well, I'll let you get back to it then. Are you staying in the city or in Brooklyn? Okay. This area? Okay, cool. I don't know the next time I'll be up here, but if you're ever around, I'll want to grab a drink or something.
I'm leaving like in 3 days. So.
It's fine. We could just hang out. Doesn't have to be like anything super obligatory.
Do you have Instagram? Oh, I like your case.
Oh, thanks. Yeah, it's cheap Amazon case. I'll shoot you a message.
Yeah.
Have a good one. Bye. It was alright. I think I just wanted to try to stay longer in the interaction. For me and maybe most guys, as soon as there's a little bit of discomfort, you want to eject. I like that I was able to, have fun. Yeah.
So I felt that your vibe was very serious.
Okay.
It was very information driven. I don't think you smiled at all. It was just very like boom, 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 boom. You know, realize that you're meeting someone and this is a positive moment, right?
Yeah.
And at the end, you know, when you asked her out, you were like, oh, if you're ever around, you know, it's kind of like, hey, if you have nothing to do, all of your friends are dead, you've watched everything on Netflix, like let's hang out. You know, it's like no, like
Yeah.
like you want people to hang out with you because they're excited, and people are just people, and try to talk to them like you already know them, like everything is gonna be great, you know. I mean, right now you just smile a little bit. So
Yeah.
Just smile a little bit.
Hello.
Hi.
How are you?
Good. How are you?
Pretty good. I just thought you were cute. I just wanted to come say hi.
Oh, thanks. Appreciate it.
What's your name? Wayne.
Wayne?
Yeah, nice to meet you.
Wayne.
What are you up to today?
Just got off of work, so I'm trying to enjoy the nice weather. You know?
I hear you.
How about
Yes.
you?
Likewise. Just met up with a friend, so
Nice. You from here?
yeah. I live in Bushwick though.
Bushwick?
Yeah.
Gotcha.
How about yourself?
Living up there, but I'm working at like on Park Avenue doing some advertising stuff. So
Oh, very cool.
yeah, it's been fun. What do you do?
I actually used to work in advertising myself.
Gotcha. Where'd you work? If you don't mind me asking. Gotcha.
Yeah.
Okay.
But yeah, right now I'm doing production for like fashion and stuff like that. What's the plan for today?
I don't know. I'm going to a friend's birthday party.
Okay, cool.
It should be fun, but I haven't been outside all week because I've been working like crazy.
I know.
So I'm just trying
No,
to.
today's a beautiful day to hang out.
I know.
For sure.
I brought a book with me. I think I'm gonna just like.
Oh yeah.
Sit here.
What are you reading?
You know, I haven't started it yet. Apparently, my roommate gave it to me. It's very cheesy and very dumb, but she said it's a good.
The Love Hypothesis.
It looks so stupid.
What's it about?
Fuck if I know. I think they're two scientists that fall in love or some shit like that.
Romantic.
No, not romantic. This is dumb.
Really?
But
Maybe it's a fun read. The illustration looks.
Book I would have read in 3rd grade.
He looks super
but
surprised. Like.
It's like a book I would have read in 3rd grade, but she had it and I wanted to read today. So
Fun.
apparently that's what I'm reading.
Do you have any plans this weekend?
Doing a couple just dumb things, catching up with friends. I spent the last couple months in London, so I'm
sick.
back now, and so I'm trying to like catch up with everybody that I
Yeah.
haven't seen in a long time.
But yeah, would you want to grab a drink or something sometime?
Sure, that sounds great.
Let me get your
I have
info.
to say I haven't had many people, not none, but many people in my life just approach me.
Really?
Down, so I appreciate
Surprise, of course.
it. Thank you. I'm more just getting harassed on the street, but this is much nicer than that, so
Much better than cat calls, right? Here, go ahead.
I'll just make a contact.
Yeah.
What language is your phone?
It's in French right now.
Gotcha.
Been teaching myself
You're just teaching yourself?
casually.
That's really cool.
All right, cool.
Thanks for sitting down, Wayne.
Of
I
course.
appreciate
It
it.
was great meeting you. All right, sounds good. Felt good. Felt like I can. I was more comfortable in my skin and didn't censor myself as much. And yeah, I felt like there's a good flow. And yeah, it was good. Felt good. I tried to keep in mind what you said. Just focus on the person more. I definitely tried to smile more. Try to keep it light and playful. Hi. Sorry to interrupt. Sorry. Oh, you're really cute. What's your name?
I have a boyfriend.
Oh, you do?
Yeah.
Well, it was nice to meet you. He's very lucky. Have a good one. Wasn't anything. I don't feel any way. She had a boyfriend, so. She had like a. I don't know what she was learning or what she was reading, but it looked like a kid's.
Well, why don't you make fun of her?
I don't know. It was just so quick. I didn't think to.
I see. You should. I think when you have opportunity to make fun of people, you should always do it.
Okay.
You can take it as a challenge. Also, I think it helps relate to people because I think, life is not that serious. We make it so serious, but at the end, you crack a good joke and like the whole vibe is gonna shift.
Right. I know. I feel like I hesitated a little bit, so
Okay.
I think next time I'm just gonna no hesitation, no stuttering. Excuse me. You're gorgeous.
Thank you.
What's your name? I'm Wayne. Nice to meet you. Where's your accent from?
What?
Your accent.
From Mexico.
Mexico. You live here?
No. I'm
Just visiting? Okay, cool. How do you like it so far?
It's amazing.
Yeah.
It's too much.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Not what you're used to?
What?
Not what you're used to?
No.
No? Okay, cool.
You're from here?
How long are you in town for?
I arrived like a week and a half ago,
Okay.
and I'm just here till Monday.
Oh wow. Very, very quick trip.
Quick trip?
Yeah.
Thanks.
Yeah, you need to stay longer. Do some more
I know. I
sightseeing.
Stay like 2 months.
Yeah. You're staying around here?
No, I'm staying in Queens.
Hi, sorry. So saying hi to your friend. Yeah.
I was waiting for her.
You wanna grab that seat over there? Oh, she's gonna sit. You wanna sit? Please, by
Nice
all
to meet
means.
you.
Of course. Would you guys be down to get a drink sometime?
here for a few days.
Yeah, that's alright.
But like maybe you can get the Instagram because our phones don't work here.
Okay. Are you guys here for just for vacation or NFT week? Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Nice.
So this is my Instagram.
Okay. I'll shoot you guys a message.
Sure.
Alright, guys. Have a good one. Bye. It was alright. It was kind of weird because her friend came up with her. I don't know. Maybe it was her girlfriend. But
What's weird about that?
no, it was just kind of like the energy she came up with.
Were you balanced a bit?
Yeah.
Yeah, you came and you just like threw so many questions at her. Where's your accent? You like it? Okay, cool. How long are you in town for? Are you staying around here? It's just like boom, 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 boom. It's like just put the weapon down and just relax. I feel like you were just shooting question at her, like, you know.
I hear you. I don't like doing that either. I notice I'm doing it. It's just
Yeah, no, I know. It's like an automatic script that you get into. I'm just trying to make you self-aware of it.
How would you handle situations like that when a third party comes in?
The third party, you have to treat them like they're your friend as well.
Okay.
You know, you have to treat everyone the same. Everyone is just a kid, you know. So just be nice with people. And if people want to have some time alone, which is understandable, say, okay, I'll let you guys do it. We should hang out another time. That's it. Like you should not take offense because some friends wants to spend time together. Like that's normal.
Oh, yeah. Sorry. Can you hear? Oh.
No.
Oh, sorry. I thought you were really cute. What's your name?
Oh, thank you.
What are you up to today?
I'm going to be with a friend.
Okay, very cool.
I'm learning English. So.
Okay. Well, your English is great. Do you live here? Are you visiting? Okay. I just left my friend back there. But I'd love to grab a drink with you sometime. Let me get your number.
If you want, I can give you my
Hey, let's go over here.
my Instagram. Is that okay?
You have WhatsApp? I don't have Instagram.
WhatsApp. Yes, give me a minute.
Okay. I just left my friend back there to catch up with you.
Oh my god.
Alright, I'm gonna text you right now. My name is Wayne, by the way.
Hey,
It's nice to meet you. Alright, Laura.
Bye.
Have a good one. Bye.
Damn, bro. Easy peasy.
Easy peasy. Excuse me. Oh, sorry. Sorry to scare you. Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Sorry to scare you. I didn't mean to scare you. I just thought you were really cute. Just wanted to say hi. What's your name? I'm Wayne. Nice to meet you. Where are you headed right now? Just walking?
Yeah.
Well, let me talk to you for a second.
I'm sorry.
You sure? All right. That was embarrassing. When everything started unfolding, I was like as soon as I touched it, I was like,
Yeah, you shouldn't need to touch people. As a matter of fact, you shouldn't even need to wave at them.
I hope you don't use that.
Like she did, her back went like this. You know, like so much confusion, and on top of it, you did it behind her back, so she had even no idea.
It was weird.
You probably got a bit anxious, and so you were trying to like fast forward the moment. But take your time.
I was just in my head.
For sure, that's fine. It's okay. You can just get every girl's number in New York. You know, leave some for other people. It's okay.
Oh yeah.
Do you have anything to tell people who are watching this video?
All I would say is that it's a process. It's to keep doing it. You have to get a lot of reps in before it starts becoming second nature. I guess don't beat yourself up too much. I have a nasty habit of doing that, but it's a process. No one's perfect at this, so just keep trying.
Any last words?
That's it.